Hey everyone, so today I Kobayashi is going to burst all the myths and tell you the facts about the changed syllabus of JEE Advanced and how this change is actually going to affect your score. But just a secret that this changes will actually add on to your score with almost none of your extra effort. So, there is another pro tip which will help you cover your backlogs and any other issues which is described at the end of this video. So, be sure to watch this video till the end. Now, these changes will actually apply to the aspirants of J 2023 and that onwards, and the J 2022 ones will remain unaffected by these changes. In case you have any queries not just related to the syllabus but any other query, you can download the free IIT JEE app by IITians at Unchai and get your one-to-one talk with the IITian and get your queries resolved. So now, moving on to the changes. So as you can see, this is the revised syllabus which is to be followed from JEE Advanced 2023. And if we go for the changes, in physics, a new chapter has been added named electromagnetic waves, and it's a very easy chapter, theory-wise also and calculation-wise also. For chemistry, we have the addition of environmental chemistry chapter, which is just a theory chapter, which is very simple to memorize, and it can fetch you much more marks. And if we talk of maths, there is an addition of the chapter statistics. It's just a formula based chapter. What you need to do is just memorize or practice many questions of the same formula so that you can have a hold on that formula. And that's it. You'll get the marks in this chapter also. And there are no further changes in the syllabus of JEE Advanced. So, as you all may have sensed, that the changes which I had listed are actually the chapters which used to be in JEE Mains but not in the advanced, but now their addition to advanced has made it easier to score better and with almost none of the extra effort and very minimal amount of preparation, these chapters are going to give you a very good output. So, it's a win-win situation for you people. Also, we have a strategy for you people, and hence it's named You Strategy. So, in it, we are giving mentorship. The mentors will be the IITians, and mentees will be you students to help you crack IITs and achieve your goal. And in case you have any queries, any concentration issues, focus issues, any distractions, any such thing, you can contact us, and for any details you can have a look at the description box below. So all the best people and prepare well.